A traceability solution is where we follow and trace a product from its beginning of the life cycle to the end. We typically use a barcode or other marking on the product to trace it. The future of traceability is making the products automatic and easy for the operator to use. So our new V460 handheld barcode reader does all of this automatically with no setup to be able to read the smallest code to the largest. So Omron has a unique and innovative solution for barcode where we do verification. We'll actually verify the quality of barcode and its readability. There's also solutions that'll verify the actual data and the data integrity that's in each barcode there is. So in traceability, after we've read or verified the barcode, we want to collect and store it. We need to manage this data. So this can be read in different ways. There can be a specific barcode or it could actually be human readable text. For human readable text, that's where we need a machine vision solution to read the date code or lot code or whatever the text it is you may have. So in Omron's machine vision capabilities, we have different vision solutions that can both read the barcode, read the date codes, but can also do vision inspection. So this gives you the ability to verify the quality of product at the same time as doing your traceability. Omron has a new vision solution in the F440. This is a small all-in-one camera that's completing the traceability solution. You can do vision inspection and quality control, as well as barcode and character recognition. This pulls together the full traceability solution.